Howdy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to close a new potential model in the DMs by using Google Docs. Hey, I'm Bjorn from YOFE and the Empire Forums, owner of the OnlyFans Empire, an OnlyFans management agency managing girls in the top 1% from all over the world completely remotely, hence different hotel rooms and pets and all my different videos. Check us out at YOFEmpire.com or at YOFEmpire on all major social media platforms. But for now, let's get back to the video. I see a lot of people and they'll pitch and they'll outreach, they'll send this spiel, and then when the model's interested, they'll take them off the platform to another platform, and then off that platform and get them on a phone call, and then it's like an email, and you're adding like 5 steps, you're adding 5 layers of resistance, 5 opportunities for them to decline. So you want to just quickly snap it up, quickly close, get them to sign inside the same platform where you've pitched them ideally. Now you'll see on Empire, I've put a lot of cold outreach methods out there that use, well, that actually get the model's email and then you close inside the email. But since then, we have since simplified the process and now you just close within the DMs by using Google Docs. So let me show you how to do that. This is one of our accounts, Mandy Friends. So I kind of just played this scenario out before starting this video. So here we go. So here's just a quick run through for you. So this is our pitch, by the way. So, hey, Mandy, nice name, by the way. I can see you post ranking for OnlyFans on here. Great work with that. I run quite a large brand, and I think that I can make you a lot more money with your OnlyFans. Intrigued? See how it's short, sharp, to the point. Don't give them the whole story. Look, chances are they're probably not going to see it anyway. And if you've seen my other videos, you'll know that you should actually do this by using a voice message because it'll pique curiosity. But anyway, so intrigued? Oh, there, go on. They're like that. Yeah. Okay, awesome. Here's the spiel, all right? So it was hard to shorten this while still explaining it. So, okay, awesome. So the biggest mistake that girls make is not knowing how to sell their content. Discounts on subs, less than $10 subs, not the answer. Like, please, your body is a unique asset and simps will pay a premium for it. I've taken my experience from e-commerce and applied it to OF. Now I'm killing it with my clients. We automate 100% of your OF accounts and you just simply supply their content. Easy. We manage 100% of your account and split 50-50. Plan is to get you doing 1K days and we go half and half. Simple. You like me to go on? Yeah, it sounds good. Now, here's where we're going to close, all right? In this hypothetical scenario. So this would be like, okay, great. Take a look at this, and if you like it, flex, sign it, and then we can get you on your way to doing stuff. Doing 1K days. Now, this is where you post you'll paste a Google Docs link. So here's how you do that. So you'll sign up to Google Docs using your Gmail, whatever Gmail. If you've seen my other videos, you'll know I create a shitload of different Gmails and whatever, because I'm not going to show our own stuff on here. I'm not going to show any models, any details on here, because you have to assume that some real creeps are going to be checking out the videos. So anyway, and then what you'll do once you've opened Google Docs, you'll go to upload. Then you'll go to your select computer and you'll upload the contract wherever it is. I'm going to skip this part so you don't see everything on my computer, right? So boom. Okay, it was actually under upload. So you go to upload and then you select where the contract is. Then you'll upload it to here. This is it. Check this out. How do you like it? Contract. Cool, cool, cool. And then once it's uploaded, you'll go share. And then, oh, hey, there's one of our emails. Oh, no, don't go spamming us. Then you go copy link. Boom, paste it. So now what Mandy will do, Mandy will go, okay, she'll click on it, she'll have a look, she'll click on it, she'll get taken to the contract, she can have a look. And then if she likes it, she can literally just sign it on the spot. Now, I haven't done this in a while because we're quite privileged and we get models submitting applications to us now. So I no longer need to do any outreaching. So quite fortunate in that regard. So I have actually forgotten how to sign it. But luckily, oh, you betcha, Empire Forums, baby. Insert drawing, scribble. That's right. There we go. There we go. So you'll go inserts. This is what the model will do. By the way, run it through. It's on Empire. You can even put that, like if they say, I don't know how to sign it or whatever, you'll notice they'll figure it out. But if they don't know how to sign it, go on Empire. There it is. Done. You'll just copy and paste that. Look, I'm not even going to bother doing it. Keep the video short. And then, assuming everything goes well, they'll sign it. they'll close this. Google Docs will automatically update. So then when you go to see it, oh, hey, they've got their signature and you have a signed contract. Voila. Then you'll save this to your computer, save it in their file or wherever you plan on storing their content, their media and stuff. And that's it. Then once they've filled out the contract and sign it, you will just send one more DM saying, I emailed you. Because while filling out the contract, they got to put on an email, and then you'll email them like how it all works, like an onboarding letter and stuff like that. So then the last DM you'll actually say to them is, I emailed you, smiley face. That's it. No more further contact on DM. That's it. And then you can either take it via email or WhatsApp or Telegram or a more reliable way to communicate with them while you're in partnership. And that's it. Now, Empire's gaining some major traction here. I think we're nearly at 100K. Oh, not yet. I think we're nearly at 1K. Yeah, we are nearly at 1K members. How fucking cool is that? If you like the video, go smash like button, smash subscribe button, and check out the Empire forums.
The ultimate hub for OnlyFans success.